Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hummus in block tails. First, you'll need to gather your core ingredients: 1 can of chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 clove of garlic, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Make sure your food processor or blender is clean and ready to go. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get those ingredients prepped. Start by draining and rinsing your can of chickpeas really well. This removes excess sodium and helps with texture. Next, peel and roughly chop your single clove of garlic. Fresh garlic adds a wonderful kick. Finally, squeeze 1 whole lemon to get about 2 tablespoons of fresh juice. It's time to blend. Add your rinsed chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and chopped garlic into your food processor. Pour in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a small pinch of salt. Process everything until it's super smooth and creamy. If it's too thick, add a tablespoon of cold water at a time until you reach your desired consistency. Your delicious homemade hummus is ready. Spoon it into a nice serving bowl. For a beautiful finish, drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil over the top. You can also sprinkle some paprika, fresh chopped parsley, or toasted pine nuts for added flavor and texture. Serve it with warm pita bread, fresh vegetables, or your favorite crackers. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.